Is mouth tape safe for sleep apnea? If you're considering using mouth tape to help with sleep apnea, you're probably wondering if it's a safe and effective solution. Let's break down the details to help you make an informed decision. First, it's important to understand what mouth taping involves. It's a method where you use a tape to keep your mouth closed during sleep, encouraging nasal breathing instead of mouth breathing. This can potentially reduce snoring and, in some cases, help with mild sleep apnea. However, the safety and effectiveness of mouth taping are not without concerns. A study on patients with mild obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, showed that mouth taping can reduce snoring and the severity of sleep apnea, with significant improvements in the apnea-hypopnea index and snoring index. Despite these positive findings, there are several risks associated with mouth taping. One of the main concerns is obstructed breathing. If you have nasal congestion due to allergies, a cold, a deviated septum, or enlarged turbinates, taping your mouth shut can make it harder to breathe, which can worsen sleep apnea and its associated risks, including heart attacks and even death. Another risk is skin irritation and allergic reactions to the tape. Using harsh or highly adhesive tape can cause irritation, pain, and even allergic reactions, especially when removing the tape. Additionally, there's a risk of discomfort, lip soreness, and sleep disruption. Some people might experience anxiety or a perception of suffocation due to the tape, and in rare cases, there's a risk of choking or throwing up. It's also important to note that mouth taping is not a substitute for established treatments like continuous positive airway pressure, CPAP machines, which are the standard treatment for sleep apnea. Before trying mouth taping, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider. They can help determine if this method is safe for you, especially if you have underlying conditions that could be exacerbated by mouth taping. Using porous tape that adheres lightly to the skin and is easy to remove can help minimize side effects, but it's still important to be cautious. In summary, while mouth taping may help reduce snoring and improve mild sleep apnea symptoms in some cases, it is not a universally safe solution. The potential risks, including obstructed breathing, skin irritation, and other side effects, make it essential to consult with a healthcare provider before attempting this method. Always prioritize your health and safety by following medical advice and using proven treatments for sleep apnea.